Will you help me put this puzzle together? And we can practice our colors while we do it. Thanks for your help. Let's start with this piece. This is blue. Blue in Spanish is azul. Let's put that right there. Next, let's try this piece. This is red. Red in Spanish is rojo. It looks like it fits there. Let's try this piece next. This is green. Green in Spanish is verde. Let's see, does it fit there? No. Right there. Let's try this piece next. This is purple. Purple in Spanish is morado. Can you say morado? Great job. Let's put that right there. Now, this piece is orange. Orange in Spanish is anaranjado. That's a long word. Let's say that again. Anaranjado. Good job. Let's put it right there. And now our last piece. This is yellow. Yellow in Spanish is amarillo. Amarillo. You're doing great. And here's our next puzzle. I wonder what this is going to be. I think I have a guess, but let's start with our colors. Here's our shape that's blue. Blue in Spanish was azul. Looks like it goes here. Now let's do this one. Orange is anaranjado. Let's say that again. Anaranjado. Looks like it goes right here. How about these green pieces? This is the color green. In Spanish, that's verde. Verde. Let's go right there, and this one looks like it goes over here. Next, we have this piece, which is red. Red in Spanish was rojo. Good. Let's put that right there. And then here, yellow. Yellow in Spanish was amarillo. Amarillo. Okay, let's put that right there. Is it gonna fit? Yes, we did it. It's a spaceship. And now for our last puzzle. I wonder what it's going to be. Let's start with the color red. Red in Spanish was rojo. Rojo. It looks like it fits right there. I think I know what this is. Let's try this piece. Do you remember what color this is? Right, it's yellow. Yellow in Spanish was amarillo. It looks like it goes right here. This piece is green. Green in Spanish was verde. Verde. Does it fit here? No. Here? I think so. Now, this other piece is orange. Do you remember orange in Spanish was that really long word? Anaranjado. One more time. Anaranjado. Let's put it right there. We did it. Hey, one more piece is missing. This is it. This is blue. You remember in Spanish, blue is azul. Great job. Here we go. And it fits right there. It's an airplane.